Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear brothers, how are you all? This is Mega Goal 2, Unit 3, Lesson 1. Okay, let's start please. Today we have some expressions that are very important. They are very similar to the passive, if you still remember the passive. The first one here is need to be done. Need to be done. The word done here refers to verb 3. In some situations, when you need someone to help you do something else, we can use this expression, need to be done. For example, I said, the windows need to be cleaned. The windows need to be cleaned. Now I don't have a specific person to do that. I'm just explaining the situation, saying the windows need to be cleaned. What did I use? Need to be and verb 3. What does it mean the windows need to be cleaned? It means someone needs to clean the windows. Maybe just imagine that I'm a father and I have 4 or 5 sons, and I'm just informing them that the windows need to be cleaned. That means I'm telling them I want one of you to do that, but still I haven't assigned anyone to do this action. Number 2, the car seats need to be fixed. The car seats need to be fixed. That means someone needs to fix the car seats. So this is the first situation or the first expression that we can use. What about the second one? The second one is called the causative. When you have or you get something done. Usually for some situations, for some actions, we can't do them by ourselves. So we need somebody else to do that. For example, if I want to have my hair cut, of course I'm not going to do this action by myself. I will go to the barber, so somebody else will do that for me. This is what we can call the causative, which is using have, or verb get plus the thing, then verb 3. We use have or get with the past participle, verb 3, when someone else does the service for you. That means someone else will do this service for you. For example, I said here the rooms need to be decorated. The rooms need to be decorated. That means we are having or we are getting the rooms decorated. Just imagine that. I'm not going to do that by myself, but I will ask somebody else to do the service for me. The roof needs to be repaired. Now we used this expression, need to be. The roof needs to be repaired. We are going to have or we are going to get the roof repaired. What about the third one? The house needed to be painted. This is past, as you can see, needed to be painted. We had or we got the house painted. Also I can say I had my hair cut. I had my hair cut yesterday. We use had here. Also I can say I will have my hair cut tomorrow. Okay, again this is called the causative form. We use verb have or verb get plus the thing that you are talking about, then verb 3. Or the thing that need to be done, then verb 3. Again we use have or get plus the thing that needs to be done, then we have verb 3, the past participle. Another thing here, which is using the past participle as adjectives. This is very important because in some situations we can use verb 3 as an adjective. For example, verb break. Verb break is the present form. Then we have verb 2, the past, broke. Then we have broken. This is verb 3. But still the same word, broken, can be used as an adjective. When I say the windows were broken. In this situation, the word broken here is verb 3, right, because it is preceded by verb to be. Also, it can be used as an adjective, no problem at all. It can be an adjective like here, I fixed the broken windows. Look here carefully. The word broken here is an adjective as well. The same like crack, like damage, like tear, all of them, all these verbs, not only these verbs, for sure, we have so many verbs in which verb 3 can be used as an adjective. Can be used as an adjective. Okay, let's move to this exercise. Look here. We have an example here for the first one. Like the jacket is stained, it needs to be dry cleaned. It needs to be dry cleaned. What about number 1? What do you think? We talk about AC, air conditioning, and yes, maybe it needs to be repaired. So I can say the air conditioner isn't working. It needs to be repaired. Good. It needs to be repaired. Can we have another example? Yes, what about this one? We talk about the knife. It's clear that this knife is not sharp. So I can say the knife is not sharp. It needs to be sharpened. Yes, good. Another, he said here the knife doesn't cut. It needs to be sharpened. It needs to be sharpened. The last example for today, number 4. What's wrong with this car? What does it have? It has, yes, a dent. That means good. The car has a dent. The dent needs to be repaired. The dent needs to be, this part needs to be repaired. Okay, gentlemen, that was the end of our session for today. Thank you very much. Don't forget, you will answer to 5, 6, and 7 by yourself. Thank you, and see you again.